More breaking news coming in this time from the Supreme Court, which has granted a 3-month extension to murder-accused Italian Marine Massimiliano Latorre to stay in his country on medical grounds. Jugal Purohit is now joining us with more details from the Supreme Court. Jugal, this particular Italian Marine has been getting some sort of relief to stay back in his country on medical grounds, but how is this impacting the case overall?
Well, Maha, as you're aware, this is a case which has been fraught with diplomatic tensions ever since the day in February 2012 when these arrests were made. And what we understand now is that the medical leave that was granted to one of the two to go to Italy and get treated, the time for it obviously is over by a long shot. But the plea which was made from his side seeking an extension of 3 months to return, and that has been granted a short while back in the Supreme Court, according to the lawyer who's representing him, KTS Tulsi. He has spoken out saying that extension has been granted, and this was also in a sense a diplomatic tussle taking place, because it was the Supreme Court which had allowed the Marine to go back for treatment for the Christmas celebrations and the treatment, and now that extension has been granted.
Jugal, is there any contention from the government's end as to whether they could have some sort of a medical setup for him here in India rather than allowing him this grant of leave to go back to his country?
Well, Maha, that leave was granted with the consent of the government. So it really would not be wise enough to, at this stage, propose any kind of infrastructure towards this purpose. The government had cited no opposition whatsoever to the Marine going home for treatment, and based on that ground, the Supreme Court had, made the exception. And it's only today the exception has been granted a further time of 3 more months. Maha?
Jugal Purohit, many thanks for getting us those details. So one of the Italian Marines accused of murder in Indian waters has been granted 3 months extension to stay back in his country on medical grounds.